Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I never thought a simple set of sheets would make such a difference. But here we are. My wife and I decided to try out these grounding sheets by IJJVPP, and the results have genuinely surprised us. From the very first few nights, we both noticed a change: deeper, more restful sleep, and far fewer interruptions through the night. The sheets themselves are soft and breathable, and it feels like any high quality bedding. I didn't feel any weird sensation or tingling, just comfort. We've washed them a few times following the instructions, and the quality is holding up great. Installation is very easy. I just connected the included cord to the metal snap on the sheet and plug it into the grounding outlet. The cord is long enough to route neatly along the bed frame or tuck under the mattress without getting in the way. We've already told a few family members and friends about it because, quite honestly, it's been one of the simplest upgrades we've ever made. So if you're curious about grounding or just looking for a natural way to support better sleep, this is a great place to start. And that is my point of view.